Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to talk about metanoia. The word metanoia comes from the Greek prefix meta, which means over, and nous, which refers to intellect or mind. Metanoia literally translates to changing one's mind or purpose. The phrase often has two contexts, both of which preserve its literal meaning. The word is most frequently rendered as repent in the Bible, and Carl Jung frequently uses it in his psychological writing. According to the Christian theologian Tertullian, the best translation of metanoia in terms of Christian theology is change of mind. The phrase change of mind may be interpreted to mean going from being a non-believer to a believer in this particular situation. Additionally, this specific type of change of thought is anticipated to involve a significant shift in a person's behavior and disposition. The term repent denotes abandonment of sin in both mind and deed, because the person who experiences metanoia is required to not only adopt a pious attitude but also act accordingly. Metanoia, according to the Jungian psychology, happens during the so-called midlife stage of a person's growth. According to Jung, people have an urgent need to reevaluate their values late in the third decade of life, which causes them to exhibit a phase of severe introversion. He refers to it as metanoia because it entails the thorough dismantling and reconstruction of each person's worldview and value system. Greater self-awareness is the effect of metanoia. It now forms the basis of therapy that aims to provide emotional healing by causing breakdown. In many spiritual traditions, metanoia is seen as a necessary step on the path to enlightenment or spiritual awakening. The process of metanoia can involve a deep and ongoing process of self-examination and introspection. Through this process, individuals can come to a greater understanding of themselves and the world around them. This can lead to a profound shift in perspective and a greater sense of inner peace and fulfillment. Metanoia can also be seen as a process of personal growth and development. It involves taking responsibility for one's actions and committing to make positive changes in one's life. This can involve setting and working towards personal goals, developing healthy habits, and making amends for past mistakes. One of the key aspects of metanoia is the willingness to change. This requires humility and the ability to acknowledge one's own fault and limitations. It also involves a sense of openness and receptivity to new ideas and ways of thinking.